So since we're fishing today, I want to show you a feature of a river that you never want to ignore, because this feature right behind me will always hold fish. And a lot of times they hold the bigger fish that are in the rivers. That fast water that dumps into the slower water, and then it gets really deep and slows down, that is a feature that you always want to fish. From swinging your fly to casting upstream to doing an upstream cast, nymphs, streamers, dry flies, you will catch fish in these type of river features. Whether it's a small stream or a giant river like this, you will find fish in these areas. In fact, I just lost a dandy fish in this little piece of water right here with a great big sculpzilla. There we go. That's a bigger fish. Oh yeah. That is a big fish. Oh yeah. Gotta get him on the reel. I don't want to lose him either. Yeah, that's a sizable fish. Yeah. Like really big. Oh no. All right, there's one example. Let's transport to a smaller river and do the same thing in the same feature and see what happens. Oh, there's a big fish right there. Oh, and he came up and grabbed it. Oh my God, that was a good fish. There he is again. Oh yeah, he came back for it. So if that's not proof enough, I don't know what is. So when you're fishing rivers, this is considered the honey hole, right? Fast water moving into a slow, deeper water. Fish that every time you fish rivers and you will catch more fish. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. And hey, if you're new to fly fishing and need a little help with your cast, I put together a very easy tutorial right here. It's about 8 minutes. It's worth the watch. You watch this, you will cast your rod a little bit better. All right, everybody, until the next time, fish on.